Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0756 indicates a malfunction related to the shift solenoid valve B within the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This diagnostic trouble code suggests that the shift solenoid valve B is stuck in the off position, which affects the transmission's ability to engage the correct gear smoothly. The shift solenoids are essential components that control the hydraulic pressure required to transfer power from the engine to the wheels through the transmission. Specifically, the shift solenoid valve B is responsible for shifting between the lower and higher gears based on signals from the powertrain control module, PCM. Located on the transmission housing, this valve operates through on-off signals from the PCM to manage line pressure and engage the appropriate clutch. If this valve remains stuck off, the PCM will not be able to activate it, leading to transmission issues such as improper gear engagement, which triggers the DTC. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0756 involves understanding the vital role that the shift solenoid valve B plays in maintaining optimal transmission performance within the Honda Accord. The diagnostic process necessitates a methodical approach, ensuring each step is accurately executed, from verification through diagnostics and repairs. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps not only aids in resolving this particular issue, but also cultivates a deeper familiarity with the vehicle's components and systems. Finally, prioritizing preventive maintenance can help in avoiding future occurrences of such diagnostic issues, thereby enhancing the overall lifespan and functionality of the transmission system. With a comprehensive understanding and implementation of these steps, drivers can achieve smoother driving experiences while significantly reducing repair costs. The error P0756 specifically points to a problem with shift solenoid valve B, which plays a crucial role in managing the hydraulic pressure delivered to the transmission clutches. This solenoid valve is situated on the transmission housing, and it is controlled by the PCM, which sends on-off signals based on the desired gear shift. By controlling line pressure, the PCM can engage the correct clutch for smooth transitioning between gears. If the solenoid fails to operate correctly, the transmission may not shift as intended, resulting in potential gear slippage or failure to engage. The valve's mechanical components, including the spring, are designed to allow for timely shifts. When it fails, it can disrupt the entire shifting mechanism, leading to the DTC being stored in the system. Hence, understanding the valve's role and position is fundamental when diagnosing this type of issue. Identifying possible causes for DTC P0756 involves examining the critical components tied to the operation of the transmission. The first potential cause is that the shift solenoid valve B itself is stuck in the off position due to mechanical failure, dirt accumulation, or electrical issues, preventing it from properly engaging. Another possibility is that shift valve B, which works in conjunction with the solenoid, may have failed. This can occur due to wear and tear or internal damage. Additionally, issues with shift valve C may present similar symptoms, as they are closely related in the operation of the transmission system. The design of the hydraulic system means that a failure in one valve can often impact the others, leading to confusion regarding specific malfunctions. Lastly, internal transmission problems, like the one-way clutch failure, can cause improper gear engagement, similar to what the DTC indicates. Therefore, it's critical to methodically verify each of these components when troubleshooting the code. When experiencing DTC P0756, a driver might notice significant symptoms indicating transmission issues. One prominent symptom is delayed shifting, where the vehicle hesitates or lags before it engages the next gear, causing awkward driving experiences. Another possible sign is the inability of the transmission to enter specific gears, particularly those controlled by shift solenoid valve B, which can leave the vehicle stuck in lower or higher gear ranges unexpectedly. This can lead to abnormal engine speeds and performance issues. Additionally, the transmission warning light will often illuminate on the dashboard as the PCM detects irregularities in shifting patterns, signaling to the driver there is a problem that requires attention. Without immediate inspection and repairs, these symptoms can worsen, potentially leading to more extensive and costly transmission damage over time. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0756 involves starting the engine and putting the vehicle into operation to gather diagnostic insights. Drive the Honda Accord until it shifts into 6th gear under normal driving conditions. This step is critical as it allows the technician to observe whether the symptoms associated with the DTC continue to manifest while the vehicle is in motion. The expected behavior should be for the transmission to shift smoothly through the gears, particularly as it moves into higher ranges. If the vehicle fails to shift properly, or if the symptoms present themselves during this process, it reinforces the potential issue related to the shift solenoid valve B and indicates that further investigation is needed. Utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, during this step may provide valuable data to confirm the diagnosis and monitoring of the system interactions. In the second troubleshooting step, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to facilitate a thorough examination of the vehicle's onboard diagnostics. Start by confirming the status of DTC P0756, which is pivotal in determining whether the failure is ongoing or if the vehicle has reverted to a normal state since the initial detection. During this process, it is essential to check for the presence of any additional DTCs that may have been triggered. This will not only enhance the understanding of the issues at hand, but may also highlight related problems that could compound the situation. If more than one DTC presents itself, they can provide valuable clues that align together, pointing toward an overarching issue that may be impacting the system. This step serves as a diagnostic foundation, ensuring that no variable is overlooked before proceeding to repair actions. The third step in the troubleshooting process focuses on the physical inspection of shift solenoid valve B. Begin by examining the valve for any visible signs of wear, damage, or blockage that might lead to its malfunction. Following the visual inspection, check the electrical connections to ensure all wires, connectors, and terminals are intact and secure. A loss of electrical integrity can lead to a failure in communication between the PCM and the solenoid. Performing a test on the solenoid valve operation can also uncover potential issues. This is done using a multimeter to measure the resistance and ensure it falls within specified values. If the solenoid fails this test, it would further confirm it as the source of DTC P0756, prompting it to be either repaired or replaced. Each of these components plays a critical role in the operation of the transmission, and evaluating them thoroughly is crucial for a successful diagnosis and repair. After performing the necessary repairs related to DTC P0756, it's essential to conduct a final verification to ensure the system operates correctly without recurrence of the error. Begin by utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to reset the diagnostic trouble code, clearing any past codes recorded in the memory. Following this, re-execute a driving cycle similar to what was performed during initial diagnostics to fully assess the transmission's performance. It is critical to monitor the operation of the solenoids and gears as the vehicle transitions through its gear settings. Successful performance with no return of the DTC indicates that the issue has been effectively resolved. Documenting the outcomes during this verification step can also serve future preventive measures or repairs, allowing for a more comprehensive overview of the vehicle's well-being. To avoid issues related to DTC P0756 in the future, regular preventive maintenance is paramount. Start by establishing a routine for checking the transmission fluid levels and conditions, as adequate lubrication is crucial for smooth operation of all hydraulic components. Additionally, schedule periodic inspections and service of the shift solenoids and valves to ensure that they remain in good working order, looking out for signs of leaks or electrical issues. This proactive approach can help catch potential failures before they escalate into bigger problems that lead to error codes. Moreover, it's wise to ensure that the vehicle's software and firmware are updated, as manufacturers may release updates that improve component interaction or fix bugs related to shifting algorithms. By adopting these preventive strategies, owners can significantly enhance their vehicle's performance and reliability, while minimizing downtime and repair costs. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.